Suno is back with new updates to Studio, and in addition to new updates, they've also brought some quality of life improvements to make your song creation workflow that much easier. So let's get into it. The new feature is a cover mode for individual stems. Let me show you how to do this. I'm starting with a blank timeline, and I've taken a previous song that I've created, I've extracted the stems, and I've moved in a bass guitar. Here it is, take a listen. I'm going to go to the three dots and I'm going to start by duplicating the clip. And you'll notice that once you duplicate the clip and it's highlighted, there's now a cover button that comes up at the bottom. So let's start by changing this. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to the bottom here. We're going to change it to a keyboard sound instead. I've already pre-filled this style being deep and muted. And now we're going to click cover. And you'll notice that once the processing continues, the stem is now transforming into a waveform. So that'll take a little bit of time. Let's isolate this and hear how it sounds. Let's now layer in the bass. So you can see that it's starting to take on and mimic the original clip. I've added a new track. This time I'm going to record myself, and we'll need to select a microphone. So in this case, I'm going to do my MacBook, and then you need to initiate or prime the recording. So we're going to click this little button, and then we're going to go down and we're going to click record button at the bottom of the timeline. So my goal is I'm going to try and do drums here. Terrible drumming, terrible, I know. We can now go to this clip and we're going to change this into drums. I'm going to indicate that the drums should be punchy. Click cover. So now if we bring it all together, this is what it sounds like. You can also modify existing clips and create covers within them without having to change the entire thing. To do this, highlight part of the stem, and then this time I'm going to change this over to being, let's do custom. Let's make this a violin. And you'll notice here there's no more cover button, but how to get that back is click the arrow to the right, and now you can switch back to cover. So let's go ahead and just focus on this clip only and convert it. This is done, so let's listen to the quick transition. One of the quality of life improvements is when downloading extracted stems in bulk. Suno claims the initial wait time for rendering downloads took up to about 5 minutes, but with this quality of life improvement, their claim is now this is actually going to be no more than about 10 seconds or so. Let's put this to the test. If you're not sure how to download stems in bulk, first you obviously have to have multiple stems in your timeline. Come up to the export button, click the little triangle, and then you want to select multi-track. So let's see how fast Suno does this. It's pretty fast. It already happened, and you can see here it's already downloading. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content available that you can click on right here.